Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to create a door in Roblox Studio. So the way that doors work, there are many ways that doors work, but in this example we're going to create a simple way to make doors work. In this case, we have a door that if I click on it, it's going to do two things. Number one, it's going to become a little bit invisible, a little bit transparent, as you can see. And the second thing is it's going to turn off collision, meaning that I can go through it. So currently the collision is on, but the script, if I click it, is going to be collidable. So that means uncollidable, so that means I can go through it. So let's take a look at how the code works. In this door, we have a script and also a click detector. So the click detector is important. We do need the click detector so that the game can detect our clicks. In other words, without the click detector, we are unable to click on the door. So over here, we also have a script. So we have the door, we have the click detector, and we have a script. So those are the three important things. In our script, we have over here a variable that's going to locate where the click detector is. Okay. And next we have on the click, so on mouse click, it's going to do the following function. What are the two things? The two things is going to change its collision to false and change its transparency to 0.5 like we said. After 2 seconds, if you want, it will change back the collision to true and then change back its transparency to 0. So once again, we're going to take a look at how it works. So if I click on the door, it's going to do two things, change its collision and change its transparency. After 2 seconds, it's going to revert back to the original state. Okay, that's it.